you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright, back with another video. This time I'm showing y'all how to make the braces. I hit the content from when we were in the store actually picking it up. I don't know what happened. We got 1.5 by 8 inch galvanized steel pipe. We got 2 of those to make one. You can buy this different. You can buy it all in one piece or whatever you may need. It's not really, it's a universal type build. You can buy different sizes to fit what you need. I think you can even get some pipe threaded there at the place. But what we got here is 2 8 inches. Then we got this coupler right here. Then we got, this is a 6-pack for the base. I think it was a 6-pack. Either way, we already used 2 out of the bag. So, show y'all how to do this. Go ahead, get 2 more out of there. I think we paid around, see the receipt here. For the 1/2 inch, a 1/2 inch by 8 inch galvanized pipe, we paid $4.81 each. Let me see what else we got. The coupling costs $2.71 each. $2.71 each and $4.81 each on these. But these right here for this pack, I think it's like maybe $15 for 6 or something like that. I think that was the most expensive. I don't know if we break it down right. But if I had my footage from the store, I could show you exactly all the different stuff they got. They got this in black as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and get one apart, show you how you do it. I bought this at Home Depot, so you can go to your local hardware store where you may need just it's going on kind of crooked for some reason. Alright, either way. Alright, we're good. Other one open. So you can buy these from different people. They actually make them custom and all of that. But we just went with a budget way to do this. Okay. Okay, so you got that. As you can see, of course, you'll go in there and put it in there and you put your 4 screws in, you know, either way. But that's the way you do this. Like I said, it's not nothing too, you know, too hard to do. I don't even know if I even, that wasn't a good idea, was it? I don't think I even have enough of these. But I'm gonna add some more later. I wanted to get the subwoofers in there first. That way we won't be doing a lot of climbing around the bracing. Trying to maneuver. I had one in there just to see if it'll work. That's why I left it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I think it will. It has some kind of like a little oil on it to keep it from rusting, I guess. That's what it feels like. It's got some kind of lubrication on it. There we go. We got 2. So this is a budget way to make enclosure braces. You can make it smaller, taller. You can find different size pieces, different couplings. They got the one with 4 on it, and probably even more than that. Different ways you can make it go up and down, sideways, all kind of stuff. You may need this on the bottom of the enclosure where you put the baffle on the top. You'll just put it to the floor. Then you put the baffle on there and you hit the screws up under the bottom. However, you can do it first on the baffle, depending on how you want to do it, and that'll get you right. So y'all be sure to like and subscribe. This a budget way to make enclosure braces. Home Depot for under 40 bucks. Well, you might be right at 40 bucks depending on how many you're making, but like I said, you can always buy these already made. It's up to you. It's a lot of guys that make some nice ones, nice color, but they custom paint them, whatever they do, and make them to the way you like them, put lights in them and everything. But if you just want to save a few dollars and want to go grab a few right quick, it's probably be an option. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the videos, and hit that notification bell. Use the link down below to support the channel. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.